Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a strawberry cake. First, let's draw the curve. That's for the icing. And on top, before we finish the icing, just draw the strawberry. It's really easy. And the curve to finish the top of the cupcake. And then we're gonna draw the wrapper. For the wrapper pattern, just draw some lines. And later on, we're gonna color it into different colors. And we've done, let's start to color. First, let's color the strawberry. Green for the sepal, and the strawberry is red or dark pink. The cupcake top is pink, or the icing. It's pink. And the cupcake wrapper, it's dark blue and dark pink. It looks so bright and yummy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.